Assam's Lakhipur Superintendent of Police SP Anand Mishra, who earlier had announced his resignation from the Indian Police Service IPS to dedicate himself to social service through politics, expressed his decision to contest election independently or from any other political party following his denial of a ticket from the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP. Mishra, in his official announcement, affirmed his intention to contest the upcoming election from the Buxar constituency, stating it as a matter of self-respect for the people of Buxar. Despite not securing a ticket from the BJP, Mishra asserted his determination to participate in the electoral process, willing to run as an independent candidate or aligned with any other political party. Speaking in Facebook Live session, Mishra conveyed his gratitude for the positive reception from the public, which further motivated his transition into politics. I have decided my path and I have come to serve society through political means. I am determined to contest the election, he said, highlighting his active involvement in social activities and the overwhelming support he received from the community. Expressing disappointment over not receiving guidance and party support, Mishra highlighted his commitment to serving the people, irrespective of party affiliations. Joining politics is not my sole intention, rather, it is to serve the people, he said. Mishra's decision to contest the election, he stated, is rooted in the need to combat corruption and uphold the interests of the constituents. I have decided that this election, it is not about me, but about the people of Buxar, Mishra stated firmly, signaling his determination to prioritize the welfare of his constituencies. With a resolved tone, he concluded, "Just know that I am contesting the elections, that is sure and final."